Hi, this is me again, Quinn. Today we're gonna make the Pinoy merienda and it's called Bilo Bilo. My mom's favorite snack when she was just a little kid before. So let me show you the ingredients. First, we have the sugar. Now we have 2 cups of cocoa mama.
Glutinous rice flour.
Glutinous rice saging na saba.
And our pre-cook sago, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Guys, I already washed my hands.
Okay, first we have to measure yung malagkit powder, yung ating glutinous rice, about mga 3 cups.
3 cups.
Para makagawa tayo mismo ng bilo. So let's put, okay, 5, mga 3 cups lang.
3 cups.
Yes.
Mommy.
1, two.
I'm so excited to make those. Do you know we haven't made this before, right?
Hindi pa. 3 doughs. Yan. So, I think madami na yan.
Yes.
Okay. And then,
Oh.
water. So, ihulog na muna natin ang ating banana sa ating water. Yan. Para makuluan. Yan. Antayin natin kumulo at maluto. Okay. We have to mix the
Can I mix it, Mom?
dough. So, kulang siya ng water, anak.
Okay.
Kulang siya ng water. So, mag-add tayo ng water. Hold on.
Okay, just gonna dump this
Okay, hanggang sa maging lumpy siya.
in. Lumpy.
Yan, kulang pa, anak.
Mommy, I already just found the part that is already lumpy. I found some, Mom. I found some. Can I mix it?
Still kulang. Well, another.
Oh.
So, it's starting to get.
I found a little piece.
So, gawin muna natin yung dough, anak. So that we can make.
Mommy's a mixer.
We can make a circle. You get another water pa.
Okay.
So, I think this is okay. This is okay. Ayan. So, alisin lang natin yung medyo wet part pa. So, what are we doing now, Queen? So,
Making rice balls.
yes. The glutinous rice.
Wow.
So, we'll make,
Mommy,
not to, anak, malaki na.
I'm trying to make it good there, but okay.
Not so malaki, not so small.
Oh.
I think we have to add, pa,
Oh.
powder. Medyo sobrang lagkit na.
Yeah. I told you, Mommy.
Yan.
I'm gonna make it.
Ako na, anak.
Mommy, can I get a little bit of powder here?
No, sama mo rito.
I will stick.
Sama mo rito.
Okay, look. Hey, I like dough.
Okay. It's video na. So, I think okay na yung ating dough.
Yeah.
Yan. So, hindi na super lagkit ng dough. So, gagawa tayo ng mga small circles. Gagawa tayo ng mga small circles. Can you show them, Queen? Yes. Small lang. Like that. Okay. So cute. Then, lagyan mo dito sa lagayan.
Oh, Mommy, you have this. It's kind of sticky though.
Wag super laki, wag super liit.
Mommy, it's just this.
Oh.
This.
Okay.
My hands are so sticky. Making those kind of hard.
Why naman?
But with mommy, we can do together.
You ask Aya if he wants to help.
Aya, do you want to help make little circles?
Wash your hands.
Aya, wash your hands first, okay? Yeah, look at her doing. It's like this.
Mag-soak ka, Gav.
It's like I'm playing with slime.
Aya will gonna help you.
Mommy, is
make
this too
small.
big?
No, yes, anak.
Okay.
So big.
It's too big.
I love cooking.
My brother's gonna help me with this.
Yan, small portions lang. Anak, dapat pantay-pantay yung sizes, ha?
Small heads.
Okay.
It's like a bunny head or what?
Okay.
Feels like slime.
While sila gumagawa ng bilo-bilo, yan. So,
Mommy's cooking banana.
yes, check lang po natin. Okay. Hanggang sa maluto na siya. How was it, guys? It's good. Dapat pare-pareho sizes. Bakit may malalaki? Okay.
This is the biggest one. I'm just gonna fix it.
This is Mommy's favorite.
Oh, no.
When I was a kid. Yan ang favorite ni
Oh,
Mommy.
no, Mommy, dumidikit.
Yan yung merienda ni Mommy nung bata pa ako.
Mommy,
Yes,
it's
lagi
like
kong-
we're making small pizza. Ganito kaliit.
No, anak. Sobrang laki yan. Oh, bakit may sira? Ayusin yun.
We broke it. Mommy, it's not getting sticky. Yay. Mommy, gagawin lang natin, i-ano lang natin, i-ganon lang natin, tapos pag naggaganito na, ano na agad, pwede na natin ito. Hey, Mommy's joining the team. Mom?
Huwag masyadong malalaki, guys.
It's okay.
Average size lang.
Ooh, I'm gonna get it into the dough. Mommy, I think we should add a little bit more flour. I'm just gonna sum up the rice. I'm gonna instead of I'm mixing the dough, I'm mixing the whole bowl. Right. Dough and bowl. Hey, my brother's speed running.
So, I think okay na to. So, we'll add. Let's add the sago. Later, we will add the gata.
Mommy,
Coco Mama, fresh gata. So, let's add it. Yan. So, since malaki yung ating kawali, magdagdag pa tayo ng isa pang Tetra Pak. Add. So, let's add sugar.
Mommy, don't add too much.
So, taste na lang kung okay na yung panlasa ng tamis.
Okay.
Continue stirring lang. Sarap pa sana to kung may langka, ube, kamote.
Mommy, sabi ko, dito sa
Set.
ito.
Okay, slowly. So, now we can...
Put the little ball.
Yes, okay. While I'm mixing it. Go, Queen. no need to, ano na anak.
Look,
Yan.
look,
Okay, you can put everything na lang.
look.
Ay.
Hey, Mommy,
Eh,
something's just going outside.
hanggang sa maluto na siya.
Look,
Okay.
look at the little ball.
I know. And
Hey,
it's
someone's sticking on the bottle.
and it looks
Mommy,
yummy.
I'm sticking on the bottle.
It's okay.
Get out, little buddy.
This is mommy's favorite. Bring back memories.
Your wish has been granted.
Yes, I know this is my.
Favorite.
Yes. Go, Queen. Careful, ha? It's hot.
Oh. It is kind of hot. Princess.
Mainit.
Mmm.
Sarap, Queen. Luto mo yan, Queen.
Oh.
Go, Ahya. Sarap.
What's the ball? It's hot.
Okay, rate it.
Like a 9.
9 over 10. How about you, Queen?
9 over 10.
Okay.
I don't touch the little balls.
Okay. Yan yung mga ginawa nyong balls.
Mm.
Thank you, guys.